From the inventors of radar level measurement, built on Emerson's safety and reliability, incorporating user-friendly design, the Rosemount 3408 non-contacting radar level transmitter offers a smarter way for startup, operation, function check, testing, upgrade, and maintenance in most level measurement applications. Start up and determine device status on the fly with Bluetooth functionality. Support remote operations and testing through continuous health monitoring, remote in situ proof testing, and automatic verifications. With a versatile design and featuring true ease of use at every touchpoint, you can eliminate uncertainty, maximize safety, and optimize operations. To learn more about the smarter way to handle startup, operation, testing, and maintenance,